So now we've got a special treat for you. I would like to introduce Pablo Orlando, president of Settle Network, who's here to give us some special updates. Pablo, how are you?
Hey Lisa, how are you? Thanks very much for inviting us.
Thank you. We're so excited to have you here. So quickly, I think it would be great if you can just give us a quick introduction to Settle Network for those who haven't learned about your business so far.
Sure. So Settle Network, we are a digital asset platform that mainly we operate in Latin America, in countries like Argentina, Brazil, Mexico, and Chile. And we enable payments and provide liquidity. Obviously, we do all these on top of a blockchain through Stellar. We're growing a lot and fast, and so we're happy for that. Also about our vision, and we keep building different products that give or grant financial freedom to the people. And one of the examples why we're so excited it is that we have built through Stellar the first Argentinian stable coin named ARST, as well as the Brazilian BRLT. So we're very excited about that too, with the anchors, and we're starting to see some real use cases for people and companies using them. So we're happy for that.
Yes, we are big fans of ARST and BRLT and the Settle Network on Stellar. So, Pablo, I know we've talked about this before, but I'd love to hear kind of what your vision is for ARST and BRLT. How would you see, an individual in Argentina or Brazil using those stablecoins?
Yeah, totally. So there are tons of examples and real case uses. So, for example, the most common one it is there's a lot of inflation in Latin America and on a lot of our countries. People try to protect themselves from the currency, local currency that keeps devaluating. Sometimes it's about 30 to 50% in the same year. So one of those cases would be, which is happening on a daily and monthly basis, it is people trying to digitalize their local currency, the local peso, for the digital currency, and afterwards exchange it for the US dollar, like USDX, USDC soon. So that's one of the most common cases. But then there's another one which is very common, which is cross-border payments. Latin America, there's a lot of people who have either they travel to the US or to Europe to work, and then afterwards they either want to send money to their families back home, or they need to pay utilities while they're abroad. So that would be like a really good scenario. And the last, which we are finding the most, it is also a lot of companies, holding companies, in the US, in Europe, but they have their subsidiaries down in Latin America, especially in Argentina, and they have to either send payments or collect, the dividends. And for these, they are finding that blockchain is one of the best, easiest, and fastest way to do it, especially through the stablecoins.
Awesome. I love that. I love those visions. And yeah, I, absolutely agree with you that being able to digitize your local currency just gives you so much more power with what you can do with that money. So great to hear about what you guys are doing. And then I know that you also have kind of a special announcement for us today. So, anything you want to tell us about, Pablo?
Yeah, sure. Thanks for bringing this up. So today we're launching StableX. StableX will be the first fiat gateway, kind of like a first global stablecoin exchange, so that anybody in the world, not just people from Latin America, can show up, bring their local currencies and exchange them for any of the current stablecoins that are done through Stellar. So we have launched today with the ARST, BRLT. Anybody can go, especially Argentinians and Brazilians can go and exchange their local currency and send them to, for example, the Vibrant wallet. And soon, very soon, so we want to invite all the anchors and stable coins that we're going to be listing them in the next few weeks. So we want to invite anybody in the ecosystem that wants to be listed, who has a stablecoin that wants to be listed at stablex.org. We're happy to start conversations as we keep on launching the other features.
Awesome. I'm so excited about the launch of StableX.org. I think it is going to be an amazing consumer application and product and really usable place for individuals to go and explore stablecoins and digital assets. And I also think it is going to be a really awesome platform within the Stellar ecosystem for other issuers and anchors. So really excited about all of the work you are doing. Thank you so much for joining us and sharing this announcement today, Pablo.
Thank you, Lisa. Thank you very much.
All right.